Hi, my name is Debanhi Hdz, and today I'm going to talk about globalization. First, we need to know what is globalization. It is the increasing interdependence of world economies as a result of the growing scale of cross-border trade of commodities and services, the flow of international capital, and the wide and rapid spread of technologies. It reflects the continuing expansion and mutual integration of market frontiers. And I'm going to mention some pros of globalization. First, we have information and technology spread more easily with globalization. And in the second, globalization broadens access to goods and services. And the third one, globalization increases cultural awareness. And we have some cons of globalization. The first one, globalization has failed to deliver desired gains in labor rights, human rights, and environmental protection. The second, workers in developed countries might lose out to workers in countries with cheaper labor. The third one, globalization puts more power in the hands of multinational corporations. And that's it, and thanks for the attention.